Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another tutorial, and today's tutorial is based on how to fix WhatsApp not updating issue on your device. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step tutorial, so then make sure to watch this video till the end. So in case if you're not able to update your WhatsApp application, then what you can do is, first of all, long press on your WhatsApp application, or you can simply open up your phone settings, and after that tap on app info, or you can simply tap on apps and notification. Once you tap on app info, on the other page you have a list of options. Now what you have to do is you'll have to tap on storage, which is right at the bottom, and after you tap on storage you'll have to tap on clear cache. Once you clear cache, next tap on clear data and then tap on OK. After you clear the data, all you have to do is go back to your Play Store once again, and then on the search box type in WhatsApp, and after that you'll be able to solve your updating issue of WhatsApp. So that is how you can fix your WhatsApp not updating issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.